Welcome everyone. Today I will share with you some koans, some stories, some inspirations from yoga and meditation. I hope they will calm and open your heart, prepare you for a good and deep sleep, or for a bright and more positive day. Let's go. The first one is called The Moon Cannot Be Stolen. Ryokan, a Zen master, lived the simplest kind of life in a little hut at the foot of a mountain. One evening, a thief visited the hut only to discover there was nothing to steal. Ryokan returned and caught him. "You have come a long way to visit me," he told the thief, "and you should not return empty-handed. Please, take my clothes as a gift." The thief was surprised. He took the clothes and slunk away. Ryokan sat naked watching the moon. "Poor fellow," he mused. "I wish I could have given him this beautiful moon." A cup of tea. Nan-in, a Japanese master during the Meiji era, 1868-1912, received a university professor who came to inquire about Zen. Nan-in served the tea. He poured his visitor's cup full and then kept on pouring. The professor watched the overflow until he no longer could restrain himself. "It's overfull. No more will go in." "Like this cup," Nan-in said. "You were full of your own opinions and speculations. How can I show you Zen unless you first empty your cup?" My heart burns like fire. So Yen Shaku, the first Zen teacher to come to America, said, "My heart burns like fire, but my eyes are as cold as dead ashes." He made the following rules which he practiced every day of his life. In the morning, Before dressing, light incense and meditate. Retire at a regular hour. Partake of food at regular intervals. Eat with moderation and never to the point of satisfaction. Receive a guest with the same attitude you have when alone. When alone, maintain the same attitude you have in receiving guests. Watch what you say, and whatever you say, practice it. When an opportunity comes, do not let it pass by, yet always think twice before acting. Do not regret the past. Look to the future. Have the fearless attitude of a hero and the loving heart of a child. Upon retiring, sleep as if you had entered your last sleep. Upon awakening, leave your bed behind you instantly as if you had cast away a pair of old shoes. In dreamland, our schoolmaster used to take a nap every afternoon. Related a disciple of Soyen Shaku. We children asked him why he did it, and he told us, "I go to dreamland to meet the old sages, such as Confucius did. When Confucius slept, he would dream of ancient sages and later tell his followers about them." It was an extremely hot day, and one of us took a nap, and the schoolmaster scolded us. "We went to dreamland to meet the ancient sages, the same as Confucius did," we explained. "What was the message from those sages?" our schoolmaster demanded. One of us replied, "We went to dreamland and met the sages and asked them if our schoolmaster came there every afternoon, but they said they had never seen any such fellow."